Hello, good day, good Friday. Here in Athens Greece. It's summertime, so I'm walking around behind the American Embassy and Megaro Music Center. So nice weather. It's very hot, too much hot, so need water. So, but I enjoy to walk this time. So this place is busy area because a lot of hospital or government office, US embassy, and music center for the conference like that, international conference or any concert like that. Okay, now Friday the people is in island, so today is not too much people here because it's Friday, so it's nice to walk now. Yesterday is too much people here. I can walk good because like the America, Japan population on the street, or in America, or like in Philippines, Divisoria, you cannot walk everywhere. So that's why now nice weather, no people, all the people in island adventure. Okay, okay. Thank you for watching for my vlog, simple vlog today. So bye bye and subscribe. Thank you so much.